This is a 1934 Cadillac LaSalle. Somebody has put a newer Cadillac engine in it. I don't know anything about the motor. Put a Cadillac engine in it. The back fenders are right there. Front fenders look pretty intact. I don't see any roof holes in this at all. The body's pretty decent. If you know anybody that needs any parts for LaSalle, we will part out or sell complete. Somebody put an automatic transmission in it. As you can see, it's got the little shifter down on the floor to modify it. This car and the other 3 cars have all been sitting in a garage for over 17 years, and what you see is exactly how they were when they put them in the garage. He never did anything with them. He just bought them and put them in a garage.